If we are standing in front of your closet every morning, feeling overwhelmed and frustrated because nothing looks right together, you are not alone. The truth is, most successful men have mastered their career but still struggling with something as basic as getting dressed confidently. You are building empire. You close $1 million deals and leading team to win, but somehow choosing the right shirt and pant combination leaves you feeling defeated before your day even begins. In this video, I'm going to show you my proven signature style system that transforms any man from clothing chaos to effortless elegance instantly. This isn't about becoming the fashion expert or spending hours on shopping. This is about creating the strategic approach to your wardrobe that works as efficiently as your business systems. And you can schedule the class session today. The link is in the description. Let's start with the foundation, understanding your style system. Here's the first principle that changes everything. Your signature style isn't about copying someone else. Your signature style is about creating the visual language that communicates your success before you even speak a single word. Thinking about this for the moment. Research shows that the people form first impressions within 7 seconds, and 93% of that judgment is based on the visual cue, not what you say. That means before you even had a chance to demonstrate your expertise, share your achievement, or showcase your personality, people have already decided on what they think about you based on purely on how you look. Most men fail at this because they treat their wardrobe like random collections of clothes instead of the strategic tool. They buy pieces impulsively without any thought to how everything works together. They have a closet full of individual items, but no cohesive system. Your signature style should be like your personal brand. It should be consistent, intentional, and instantly recognizable. Here's what you need to do right now. Start by identifying 3 words that describe how you want to be perceived. Maybe it's confident, authoritative, approachable, or it could be innovative, trustworthy, or sophisticated. These 3 words become your style pillars that guide every single clothing decision you make from that point forward. And you can schedule the class session to done for you. The link in the description. Now let's move to the second element, which I call the color code. This is about building your personal palette, and it's the fastest way to look put together every single day. The signature style secret is most men never learn the power of 3 colors. When you master cohesive color palette that works with your skin tone, your hair, and your lifestyle, you create endless combinations with minimal pieces. Instead of having a closet full of random colors that never seems to work together, you are going to choose 3 colors that complement your skin tone and make these trademark colors. Every single purchase you make from now on the must fit in this palette. This might sound limiting, but it's actually incredibly liberating. When you everything in your closet works together, getting dressed becomes effortless. For example, you might choose navy, charcoal, and white as your 3 core colors, or it's black, gray, burgundy. The specific colors matter less than the commitment to sticking to them consistently. This creates your signature look while ensuring that you always appear polished and intentional. So, what's your current basic color challenge? Are you dealing with too many random pieces that don't coordinate, or are you playing it too safe with just plain white? Let me know in the comment below because I read every single one. The third component is what I call the formula. This is about creating your daily system. This system it removes the decision fatigue while they're maintaining variety and sophistication in your appearance. You might be thinking this is sound boring, but let me share something interesting with you. Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, Barack Obama all use daily systems for their wardrobes. Obama said in an interview that he only wore gray and blue suit because, and I quote, I don't want to make a decision about what I eating or wearing because I have too many other decisions to make. These incredibly successful men understood that eliminating low value decisions preserve mental energy for high impact choices. But here's the key distinction. Your wardrobe system isn't about wearing the exact same thing every single day. It's about having formulas that always work. Thinking of it as your system algorithm. You are going to develop that I call the blind test formula, where every single piece in your wardrobe can mix and match with every other piece, creating your signature look effortlessly. This might look like having three high quality knitwear pieces, two perfectly fitting blazers, and four pairs of well tailored trousers, all in your signature color palette. Any combination you pull will look intentional and sophisticated because everything is designed to work together. But here's the where most men mess it up, the daily system. They focus only on clothes and ignore the crucial details that separates amateur from expert. This brings us to the fourth element, the details. These are the elevated finishing touch that make all the difference. The difference between the looking good and the looking exceptionally lives in details that most men completely overlook. You could have the perfect shirt, trousers combination, but if the fit is wrong or your shoes are scuffed, the entire look fall apart. The blind test principle applies to here too. 100% of your style impact comes from 100% of your wardrobe details. This means the proper fit, quality shoes, impeccable grooming, and one signature accessory all working together seamlessly. Here are the four details area that you must master. First, ensure proper fit on the shoulders and sleeves. This is a non-negotiable. Perfectly fitted $20 shirt will always look better than $200 shirt that doesn't fit properly. Second, invest in quality leather goods that matching your color palette. Your belt should coordinate with the shoes, and both should be well maintained. Third, maintain impeccable grooming standard. Your haircut, your facial hair, and overall grooming should be as consistent and intentional as your clothing choices. Fourth, choose one signature detail like a quality watch or distinctive eyewear that becomes a part of your personal brand. Finally, let's talk about implementation, which is making this entire system effortless. This is where that you transfer all this knowledge from the theory to automatic daily execution through smart organization and habits. According to the research, the average person makes 35,000 decisions per day. Successful people eliminate low value decisions to focus on high impact choices. Your wardrobe should support this principle, not work against it. So here's your action step. Organize your closet by keeping only pieces that fit your new system. Everything else must be removed. I know this sounds drastic, but holding on to clothes that don't serve your signature style only creates confusion and decision fatigue. When you open your closet, every single item should work with every other item. The goal is to reach the point where getting dressed well becomes automatic as brushing your teeth every single morning. No thoughts required, but consistently excellent result every single time. Which part of this system do you want to implement first? It is developing your color palette, creating your formula, or upgrading the finishing details. Drop in a comment and let me know because I want to help you prioritize your next step. If you're ready to stop wasting time in front of your closet every morning, start commanding respect through your appearance, I invite you to schedule the clarity session where I will walk you through this entire step by step. This is your personalized strategy session where we'll identify your significant style goals, determine your optimal color palette, and create your custom signature style formula. Click the link in the description to book your clarity session and start building wardrobe that works as hard as you do. Your future self will thank you for making this investment in your professional and personal success. And tell me in the comment, what's your biggest style challenge right now? Is it the morning overwhelm of not knowing what to wear, not understanding what pieces work together, or feeling like your current clothes don't match your success level? I read every comment and I'm here to help you solve these challenges once and for all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Have a great day.